Hello, my name is Michael Schuster. I want to give you a brief introduction into this new Enertex ENA security device. It's a security device for KNX, providing you a remote access, providing you a configurable firewall, and providing you a Telegram logging unit. So let us come to the first point. It's the remote access. The remote access is done via VPN connection. That means there's a direct end-to-end encryption for your data. So of course there is no cloud service seeing your data. There's only the normal data transfer, we call it, via a relay server, which enables you the possibility of interacting between IPv4 and IPv6 connections. So the second thing is that you can see here, it's a configurable firewall, so we can provide two different LAN connections. That means that you can separate with a configurable firewall in this device from one, for example, private connection where you have all your private data, or you have a vacuum cleaner which has an IP connection, separated from the KNX basic installation via a real firewall. So this firewall is easy to configure into this front end, which is running on a web server on this device, which, by the way, completely configures the whole device via a modern and easy to use web server and an assistant. And the third point is the SQL database. The SQL database logs all telegrams on the KNX bus, up to 100 million telegrams, into this device. And this device then you can easily read out, for example, with an SQL query, which is also in the web front end for you already easy to use, so that you can, for example, search for a certain telegram on a certain day, or you can also visualize them via charts and via your front end, so you can easily, for example, visualize a temperature. So all these three functions are in this single device, which also provides a programming interface for your KNX installation, and which is, as you can see, on the D-Rail mount, and is completely powered by KNX. So that's a complete solution, and thanks for your attention.